Hey Justin, good morning. Just wanted to show you a small little video on how to place a market order in the morning time since you're going to be in school now. And this morning is Tuesday morning, and the time right now is about almost 9 o'clock. And so the way I'm going to play it is I'm going to play JNUG. I see it's gapping up this morning. So let me look at the chart real quick and kind of see how it's gapping up. One second right here. It's gapping up this morning, and it's on a 5-minute chart. It's coming up into its 200-day moving average. So I'm looking for maybe some resistance right here. Here's your gap from yesterday before it gets up there. Okay. Overnight it went up to about this area, and the futures, right now. Let me pull that up so you can see it real quick. The futures are already past the overnight. See that overnight high? So they went back up and tested that overnight high right here. Okay, now, so which means in that if this is successful, then it's going to go another leg up, which is going to be right where they broke down from yesterday. So that's what I was saying early on. Just go in and put your sell in, lock those profits in if you want. Okay, so I'm looking for it to go right there about 13.33. But here I'm going to play JNUG. All right, so that's the stock. It's trading up. So I'm looking for it to come back down and test its breakout point this morning, because any gap up, they're going to take profits. Let me add one more thing here. End of day. It's just a little thing called end of day move. And it'll put it in. That was the end of day yesterday. Gap down, or previous day. Gap down and closed yesterday. So it's trying to go back up and at least it's halfway. Okay, so I'm thinking it's gonna gap back down here somewhere in this 270 area, which is about 8 points down. So I'm gonna go in, and what I want to do is I'm gonna go long. So because I want to try to get the long side. Okay, so I'm gonna go find the most options here right here, Delta 60. So right here, I'm gonna go and buy. I want to buy 10 contracts. If it comes down to there. Actually, I'm going to go cheaper than that. Hold on a second, because I'm going to be, let me see if I find something cheaper. Yeah, just 3 days left. So it's just going to be a day trade, so I'm looking for. So these will be a little bit cheaper. So let's find the 60s here, 61s. Here's the most contract right there. That's even better. So the gap's down. So let's say the 38s. And I'm going to 32 right here. So I want to buy 20 contracts, and watch how I do the order here. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure it comes down. If anything at market, anything below 270, okay, then I want to make sure I get that, and I want that to be a market order. So what I'm doing, if it spikes down in the morning, it should buy me, okay, and then so to say market right there, and then execute, and then I'm gonna set this. Okay, so there's my order sitting there. So the whole idea is that if it gaps down, people getting out taking profits in the morning, if it comes, I'm looking for it to come all the way down here, but I want to get executed right around 170. Okay, then I'm looking for a bounce back up. Okay, now if my stop would be my out. So actually I'll put my stop. I don't even give it no more than a point. So 2 points at max. So that if it comes right below here, then that's what I'm getting out of it. Okay. No more than 2 points. Right? Enjoy. So that's how I do a market order.